The DOV mechanical sealing ball valve is the ideal solution for applications demanding double block and bleed product isolation and verification of sealing. It can be used as your critical isolation block or ESD valves, drain, pump, or meter isolation valves, in-gas or liquid pipeline and custody transfer applications, oil and gas production and processing, and/or multi-product manifolds. The DOV ball valve's dual mechanical sealing design ensures zero leakage. This allows the verification of the valve's closure in services that demand high-integrity product isolation. The DOV mechanical seal can also be verified in the open position to ensure seal integrity without having to close the valve and interrupt flow or your operations. To achieve a verifiable API bubble-tight double block and bleed seal, the DOV ball valve utilizes a specially machined ball that simultaneously applies independent mechanical loads on both seats. With this design, we are able to ensure both API double block and bleed isolation and API double isolation bleed verification requirements in applications including either liquid or gas media. When the DOV ball valve is in the closed position, the ball has applied independent mechanical loads into each seat face. To prove a verifiable double block and bleed seal, the manual bleed valve can be opened to relieve the pressure of the media isolated inside the body cavity. Once the media stops flowing from the bleed valve, the integrity of the seats has been proven. If desired, the entire body cavity can be drained by removing the drain plug located on the bottom of the valve body. The DOV mechanical ball valve has undergone extensive, rigorous testing to ensure reliable, consistent sealing. Our valves are built without compromise and guarantee leak-free isolation in a wide range of applications and services. Our trained staff will work with